what we do on rainy days.
No.
Right, so another thing to do is play rugby. Yeah, we're great.
I don't know if I'm going to put this on YouTube.
RKO! So, you throw the ball. Oh, I got it! I scored a goal!
Yes!
That's how you play rugby.
No! No, Dale, go away! Yo!
Did I win?
No!
Wait, are you filming?
Yes!
For what?
You talk. That was just Ellie, just.
I play rugby.
What? What did I have? Too bad. I actually have no idea. I'm very good at rugby.
That was a foul.
No.
Is that going on YouTube?
I can put it on if I want, and I might not.
No, and I can clearly do a rainbow watch.
I can put this on YouTube if I want, and if I shan't. So, I think I mean
Right,
no.
what else we like to do? Annoy these kids.
Wow,
that hurts so bad.
Yes.
RKO!
Yeah. Oh, jeez. I didn't mean that.
RKO! Does that mean...
No, I'm gonna fall for it. I know how to do it.
What?
This is filming. Recording.
What?
Do you know what recording means? I'm putting this on YouTube.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know. Am I? No! Hannah! I want to press the buttons!
I like my these things, so yeah. We don't want to break their back.
As you see, the light is off. No, it's on.
No.
What? No,
RKO!
that's horrible. This is
RKO!
a broken myth. No, hold it. Hold it. No, you have to video me doing RKO.
RKO. We're not getting that back. Well, yeah, we are. No, no, you're
Give
getting
me
it.
your phone.
It's a ball. Would you like a banana?
No.
Piss off!
No! It's raining. You just can't tell. Hello, Granny son.
I like a banana.
No, it's like, I want a banana. We ain't getting that rugby ball back. Ellie's at the window, but just ignore it because he's a wee bitch. Yes! Oh, very good at making a double 10.
You're like a pro at YouTube.
Yes.
Whoever this is.
Yes.
No. I can do.
Hey.
I want to show you something. I can do
No.
TikTok.
La banana peel!
I can do TikTok.
Tick. Shut up, you shit.
That's not nice.
That's not nice.
That's not nice.
What the hell does that mean? Or is she saying prayer?
Oh, oh!
Why are you talking to yourself?
That's not nice.
I'm going to pretend to be whispering something. And I'm going to play it. I'm pretending right now. It just doesn't look like it. Do you think they can hear it? No.
Probably
in the video.
that really hurts my eyes.
I can.
I'm going in here. Bye.
Scary.
It's creepy. You're like, no, Anna, come back.
Do I go in my house and record?
Nope.
Right, bye.
It is called What to Do in Rainy Days. Guys, you see Hannah's going in because really bored.
I'm going to be arguing.
Stop popping up in the video.
Are you going to actually put that on YouTube?
I'm allowed to, aren't I?
Yes.
You want me to? Yay! It's my friend. My best friend. Ha! 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 Shark. Shark.
Stop, pass.
Very boring. No! 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 And me too.
How you doing?
Oosh. 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 Really good. His cheeks will go. Oh yeah, it's Halloween tomorrow. Halloween tomorrow.
So I'm sound like 1 in the morning. Do what time I usually wake up?
At night?
Yeah.
On the street?
Yeah.
Like,
No, like in your house.
oh! We stay up a long time. I've stayed up for 5 o'clock in the morning once. Because it's so easy. Just watch a bunch of videos
Oh,
and how to go to sleep.
okay.
These are my 3 steps to going to sleep. Think of a piece of blank paper.
Is that recording?
Yes.
Let me see. No.
See the little button. And the time is going. My phone. He's got a problem. I really thought that was the ball hitting something really bad. She very.
Hit it!
Hannah didn't go in.
Yes.
She did, but then she came back out.
Here, foot to my head. I'm going to hand it to you.
Okay.
How does it not do habitat in the hedge?
He's very.
Robert, how does it not do habitat in the hedge? Oh, check it.
Don't leave it.
I don't even know if I can put this on YouTube.
What?
I don't even know if I can put this on YouTube.
Why?
Because your parents might not let you.
I don't care.
Sure, they won't. Anyway. 8 minutes, I think. Yes. 4 minutes? No. 4.
What's your longest video?
I can only do it behind 15 minutes because it doesn't let you unless you do something. I don't know how to do it.
I found your friend.
My friend. Yes, thank you. Best friend for don't care about you.
Surprisingly, LeBron's actually really good.
LeBron James.
Get that one too.
Wow.
His name is John Cena.
John Cena.
The lights turn on, they're automatic.
Where did the rugby ball go? Does he have it?
Volley.
I should have videoed that. Come back. Yeah. Who wants to hold this? Actually, I don't trust Dylan. So, well, you won't drop it, will you?
No.
You swear.
Yes.
And you won't pause it.
Hup.
That's what I say.
Hup.
What? I built the other side. Jesus, that's a lot.
Something she was in my room putting on all my makeup.
Was she? Did you tell? Oh! 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 The scales! The scales! I'm a pro photographer.
That's the water.
What? I'm a pro at I'm a pro at video. I'm a pro at videoing.
Thank you.
What?
Beep beep.
You're not very good at videoing.
See, I'm a pro.
Don't curse.
Don't curse on this bloody YouTube channel.
Really bad boy. But some people might not.
You're not allowed to bloody swear.
What the fuck is that?
You are allowed to swear? What from YouTube are you allowed to watch?
Wasted battery.
God, can I watch it? Can I do this? Can I go in your
Give
bike?
me a high five.
Can I go in your
Okay, high five. High five.
Tomorrow.
Scott.
Afternoon, next day.
Scott, high five. Scott, high five.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck.
Why high five?
Pass.
Can I go on your bike, Dylan?
Pass.
I can do it. Dylan! Can I go on your bike?
No.
That means
That means no.
Do you? No. I will. Oh, yeah, give me a quiz.
This is my bike. That Lauren stole. Or Lauren, whatever the hell she's called. Lauren then. Lauren, get off my bike.
Go away! You're going to get run over. Really stupid of you.
Yes, Robert.
Here, Lauren. Lauren. It's only like, you can only do like another 4 minutes. No, we're not.
Why aren't we?
Yes, and you're not coming. Too bad.
Oh no, and then I might go to the movie night tonight.
Then I don't care, Hannah. You can't just walk in my house or anything, cause Declan's in there.
Who's Declan? Her big brother.
Who else wants to hold this except Hannah? No. Sure. You just gave it to me 1 minute ago. No, but I was just saying. Beep beep. Oh, fudge. You don't say. Don't change the gears. Don't touch them.
Stop!
Cause my bike's broken.
Can I go on it after?
Nope.
Please.
You get off it.
Oh crap.
You're not talking to you.
Can I go on your bike?
No. Cause.
Please.
No. Get that, Robert. Robert, give him the football. Yeah. What? Like a bat out of hell. Yeah. Yep. Why?
They don't tell you where we live.
Huh?
They'll tell you where we live.
What?
Point
You
at the
swap
little
three.
65. Don't.
What?
Almost.
You look really angry. Scott, give us my football. You like a better. You like a better. Scott, what time are you being for?
Give me. I want to see how much it's on.
Oh, I have to stop it. Okay, bye. Comment down below and like this video and subscribe.